everybody? Welcome back to Bulldog Bites. We're back in the Bulldog market.
I'm Reagan Lampy.
I'm Maddie Hildebrandt.
And today we're going to be making pizza wraps. Our ingredients consist of some string cheese,
Tortillas
pizza sauce,
and pepperonis.
and today we're using this skillet thing.
And,
In oil.
but you can also make them in the microwave.
Yeah.
So if you don't have a skillet on hand or stovetop, you can make it in the microwave. So first,
This smells bad to start with.
First, we're gonna put oil on the skillet.
I'm scared. What do I do with this?
Just put it on the side. How much should I pour?
A little bit. I'm scared. It smells bad.
How do I spread it?
With that. So right now we're just pouring in some oil and spreading it out with a spatula.
So that the tortilla doesn't get stuck.
Yeah, and I'm adding some cheese. How many cheese should we do? We're making two different ones, right?
Yeah.
Should we do 2 string cheese per tortilla or 1 string cheese? Or 1.5? Let's do 1.5.
1.5. Think that's enough oil?
Yeah.
Okay. So oil is spread.
Now we're going to open our cheese sticks.
We were told,
Do I just put this in here?
yeah. So you just put the cheese in and let it melt and get crispy.
Okay. Oh gosh. Very sizzly. Oh. Well, I think we need to string the cheese.
No, that's not what we were told.
It's already melting.
Wait, we're doing half?
Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to open our tortillas while we wait for this cheese to melt. Oh, I opened that so loud.
I didn't make it very even. Wait.
What?
Did we put the pepperonis on that? Or
We have to wait for it to melt.
okay, and then we put the pepperonis.
It's on here so it gets a little extra
Okay.
melty in there.
So story time. While we're letting the cheese melt.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing to microwave when you did it? Were you allowed to use the stove? Like you weren't allowed to use it until you were like a certain age?
I didn't try to use it because I knew I would have lit the house on fire.
Oh, should I tell a story time about how I almost did light my house on fire? Did I tell you this?
No, you didn't. What
Okay.
is this?
So the other day,
This is the other day.
I was making a pizza, actually, and we had like a drying rack on our stove with like all of our big pots and pans because like obviously like they need to be dried, but they can't go in the dishwasher. So they were like all sitting up on the stove, and when I went to turn off the stove when I was done making my pizza and I put the things back, I accidentally turned on the burner and it started catching the cutting boards and like the drying things on fire. And then my dad FaceTimes me and he's like, and I'm like, bro, what's wrong with you? And he just like shows me that I literally almost got the house on fire.
Very nice.
That was my story. This literally happened like a week ago. I'm scared that it's burning. We need to like press it.
Ooh.
Is it burning?
Ah!
We're burning it.
Shoot. Wait, what do we do?
Should we take them off and put new ones on there? Maybe we need to string the cheese. Throw those in there. Okay, we're gonna dispose of these ones and try again. Because that looks terrible. So if anybody wants some crispy cheese, let me know.
I feel like we didn't
Try again. We're not gonna talk about the first attempt. Okay, we're gonna string this thing. Oh my gosh, I feel like I need to turn it down. Should I turn it down?
Yeah. We're gonna turn it down just a bit. It smells like carnival food. One moment.
Currently stringing the cheese.
So we're just gonna lay it out stringed.
This.
Oh, on the tortilla?
No, I'm just saying there's something on the table.
Perhaps we should do it on the tortilla. I feel like we're not skilled enough to not do it on the tortilla.
Just agree. We're fine.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me something to lay on.
Alright, now we have to split this in half.
I love string cheese. I kind of want to eat it.
I also love string cheese. I eat like a lot of cheese.
Me too. I'm excited.
I
for
like
this.
Colby Jack cheese though, the best.
Pepper jack cheese is the best cheese.
I hate pepper jack cheese.
Why?
There's your string half.
Oh, thanks. Okay. So,
hopefully this doesn't burn like last time. Alright, I got all my stringed cheese. It's melting already.
hate you. That cheese looks nasty.
Ouch. I just burnt myself. Don't do that.
Okay. In goes mine.
If we burn it again, we're not trying again.
Ah! I didn't even hurt. That didn't even hurt.
Flip it. This is not gonna work, bro. Come back here.
Okay, can I have this?
Just do it. Okay, I think I need to put some pepperonis on my side already. I think.
Maybe.
We have 2 spatulas. We don't need to be using this again. Alright, you know what? Spread this out a little bit. I don't even know what's going on right now.
Oh my god, I'm so good.
Okay, we're gonna open up our pepperonis. Ooh.
I love pepperoni.
Put this one back. We only need 1 package.
I think we better hurry before I get
Okay,
burned.
my cheese is bubbling. Grab some pep. Just gonna throw these on here now. Shoot.
A whole lot of pepperoni.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna put my tortilla on. Oh wait, we need sauce. Wait,
No.
we do the sauce after.
Yeah.
Just gonna press on it. I'm scared. Will it burn? It probably is. We need to flip it?
Yeah.
I think they found us a tester. Looks great. I think it needs to
Yummy
be
meat.
cooked a little more. Do you think? Or no?
I don't know. Yeah, probably. Probably.
Should we put the sauce in and fold it up and then cook it a little more?
Sure.
Okay.
I don't know.
We're gonna put the sauce on now.
We have sweet tomato basil sauce. I don't know if it's open already.
I can't breathe, I'm sorry.
I really hope these are good. I'm really hungry.
I'm scared.
Okay. Tastes or smells delicious.
Okay, how much do I put?
I don't know. I'm a big pizza sauce girl, so I'm probably gonna put a lot.
Is that good?
Yeah. That's kind of a lie.
You told me to do a lot.
Spread it with. Please melt. No.
I don't. We're just spreading out the sauce.
And then, do you think we should just? How much do you think the tortilla is getting cooked right now?
Probably just the right amount.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Skillets are a foreign territory, if you can't tell.
Yeah, I've actually never used a cutting knife.
Yeah, me neither. Okay, that looks great. All right. Let's see the other side.
Oh, it's just getting nice and crispy.
Yeah?
Looking great.
Turn it up a little bit.
Okay, I'm scared. Last time that didn't end well. Oops, I just turned
You
it.
need to spread yours more.
Spread my sauce more?
Yes.
But we have to fold it.
Oh, still fold it.
Does that look better for you?
Yeah, sure.
I just feel like we need to wrap it.
You think now?
Yeah. Don't you?
Sure.
I'm scared. Yeah, you're locked in.
I know.
this is looking good. It's too quiet in here today. Oh.
That was great.
You want to do that to this one?
Yeah. So now we're just wrapping it up. Reagan has a lot of sauce on hers.
Bro told me to put a lot of sauce.
That's not what I said.
There you go.
There we go.
Okay. So now what? Just let it cook a little bit, or is it done?
Just gonna cook this side a little bit more. And then I think it should be good, right? Hopefully the cheese is spread out in there.
I'm sorry. I can't put it though. There's nowhere for me to go. There we go.
A little bit more.
Alright, we need to get our plates ready.
Can we like, plate it with like some pepperonis on it?
No.
Why? I want to plate it
We need two
pretty.
plates. Which one should we give for a taste tester? Which one's better looking? Yours?
Yeah.
Okay. That one is one.
I feel like I need to flip it this side. Okay. So it's okay if a little sauce escapes the wrap. It's fine.
Alright.
Okay.
Turn this off.
Are we gonna taste the bread first?
Yeah, but we need to cut it up into 3 pieces.
Okay.
We need our assistant, Aiden. Please.
Wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Can I get that? Are you excited to try our pizza wrap?
Yeah.
You think it's gonna be fine?
I think it's gonna be good. You get the smaller piece.
Yeah, you guys did good.
I want this piece. Okay, ready?
Thank you.
Sorry.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
No.
So
looking fine.
It burns.
Reagan did add a lot of sauce, but
My part's good.
It's
I
still
got the
good.
part with the least amount of sauce. Yeah, this is fair. I'll give it a 8.9.
For sure.
I give it a. I don't know. I look like this better than regular pizza.
What's your rating?
It's 9.5.
9.5? Wait, do you like this better than the last thing?
I see this as like a midnight snack.
Yeah.
That's so true. I give it a 8.5. Alright. Now, we've got our tester.
This is not part of the script.
I just broke my cheese.
Alright,
Welcome to our
let's see what
vlog.
we got.
It's really good.
You're gonna cut this up for me?
Oh, yeah.
Appreciate that.
Mm-hmm.
So you guys are like official cooks?
Oh, yes.
Oh, perfect.
If you ever need any chef advice, just come to us.
Alright.
Because,
Alright, let's see.
We do work with a guy who went on Chop, so
Alright.
we're
Let's
pretty
see.
much like
See what we
certified.
got. Okay. Alright, let me just leave a little bit of that out.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Not bad. Not bad.
What's your rating?
Out of what?
10.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a 8.2.
Oh!
There we go.
Our
Alright.
last one was probably better, but this one still isn't bad. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for testing it.
Thank you.
Does anybody else wanna grab a slice, Logan?
Oh, everybody just comes running. Cut it into 3 pieces.
I'm gonna guess.
Really? Oh. Well, guys, thanks for watching today. We're going to give these to our friends, and
Because they're
I
hungry.
hope you make this because it was good and easy. Also, don't forget you can do it in the microwave if you don't have this thing.
Yeah, because the skillet's kind of a little difficult.
It's kind of hard.
Not gonna lie.
Learn from us.
Yeah,
I'd probably make it in the microwave.
me too. But catch us on Bulldog Bites again. Bye.
Thanks. See ya.